Hey I am making this series to help modders with making tabs vehicles. Y'all should know what tabs is by now. The entire TearDown community does. It's kind of a pop topic. Anyways, this is the introduction to this series where I'm going to help you, yes you, with tabs modding or modding with tabs or making tabs vehicles, whatever you want to call it. So the way this is going to work, or the way that this series is going to pan out, is basically I'm going to just make a vehicle of different colored Vox boxes and basically just go along with different topics one at a time, one video at a time. And I'm gonna not only get help from the documentation, I'm also gonna look at other vehicles. We're gonna take a look at other vehicles, see what they did, and then we're gonna apply that to our own vehicle. Most notably, we're gonna take Fame's vehicles, or I'm gonna take Fame's vehicles and apply from that to our own vehicle. He gave me permission to use his vehicles for this series, so that's really appreciated. You can check his stuff out, it's in the description. He makes awesome stuff. We're also gonna take a look at the code of the framework a bit, not too much though. I might as well also disclose here that I'm using a modified version of the framework. But there shouldn't be any issues, as the only thing I've done is changed up some UI code, changed some sounds, and also changed a bit how HE works, but we're going to cover that later. So this is going to be somewhat of a deep dive. I will not cover the complicated stuff immediately, of course. I will just cover what you need to know to make a vehicle. I am making this also to update the documentation, as it's somewhat outdated. It's linked in the description still. You could get more help in the Tabs Discord. It's also linked in the description. However, I am banned from the Tabs Discord, so you will not find me there. You can just comment on my videos and ask questions. I will maybe be active, I don't know yet, but you can find me there maybe. In case you're wondering why I got banned from the Tabs Discord, I was an asshole against the devs and also started a bunch of drama in there. Alright, that's pretty much all I have for this introduction really. Bye my friends.